Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we are going to talk about TCS NQT 2021. So recently TCS has announced that they are going to conduct the NQT. In this video we'll discuss each and everything related to TCS NQT 21. We'll discuss things such as the eligibility criteria of TCS NQT, and further we'll discuss the qualifications required, the branches which are eligible for this TCS NQT, and the salary, about the job locations, the dates, about this registration process, and further we'll discuss the eligibility criteria in a detailed manner, and then we'll also discuss the exam pattern, the selection process, what kind of questions they will ask in the NQT. So we are going to discuss all these things in detail, so please don't skip the video in between and watch the video till the end to get a complete idea and to see how one can register for TCS NQT. I will also show you guys how to apply, like how to register for NQT 21. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I come up with this kind of various job opportunities and about the technical stuff on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the video till the end. So recently TCS has announced that they are going to conduct the NQT exam on 18th and 19th of Feb, and the last date to register for the same is 10th of Feb. So I will provide the link for the TCS NQT official career page in the description box of the video. So if you are willing to register for the same, just go to the description box. There you will find this official link. From there you can apply. So very firstly we'll see all the information such as the qualification, branches and batches. So the qualifications for TCS NQT are all the BE, BTech holders and any degree or diploma in any kind of branch is eligible. So for whether you are having a BE or BTech degree or BSc, MCA, BCA, so all the degrees are eligible for NQT. And the branches are like any stream is eligible, and the batches eligible for NQT are like 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 and 2022. So these are the 5 batches which are eligible for TCS NQT 2021, and the salary will be best in the industry. So depending upon the designation they'll give you once you are finally selected, they will decide your CTC based on that, and the job location will be across the India. And the last date to register for NQT is 10th of Feb, and the test date will be 18th or 19th of Feb. So these are the dates they have given. And talking about the detailed eligibility criteria, so all the undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma students in their pre-final and final year are eligible, and students with any degree and specialization discipline, freshers with less than 2 years of experience are eligible for this TCS NQT. So further we'll talk about the selection process. So they are going to conduct a test which will be included with 92 questions with the MCQ type, and they'll provide you total 180 minutes to solve all these 92 questions. And further we'll discuss the sections which they will ask in the exam. There will be total 4 sections. The very first section will be verbal ability. In this section they will ask you total 24 questions with a time limit of 30 minutes, and second will be reasoning ability. So they will ask you 30 questions with a time limit of 50 minutes. And third section is numerical ability. They will ask you 26 questions with a time limit of 40 minutes. And the fourth section will be programming logic. They will ask you 10 questions and give you total 15 minutes to solve all these 10 questions. And lastly they'll go with the coding section. There they will ask you 2 programming questions, and they provide you total 45 minutes to solve these 2 programming questions. So in this way we have seen all one things one must know if he or she is willing to register for TCS NQT 21. So I will provide the link for the same in the description box of the video, and I will also mention all the information we have discussed in the video in the description box also. So once you click on that link I have provided in the description box, you will be just redirected to this next official TCS career page. So here you can see like they have mentioned here to register now or a sample test. So if you already have an account here on TCS ION, then you have to just log in from here, and if you are new here, then you have to just first create an account here, then and then only you will be just eligible for applying. After creating an account here, you have to just log in here first, and just click on the register now button here. After clicking here, they'll ask you to fill all the details such as the personal information, your name, your addresses, your contact information, your email ID. So these type of information you have to fill, and also the things such as the academic records, your college name, your scores, and also they'll ask you to upload your latest CV. So fill all this information and upload your latest CV. So in this way you can apply for TCS ION 2021. So this is a great opportunity for all the freshers and even experienced people, pre-final or final year students. So this is a very good opportunity for all the students. So don't forget to register for NQT, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as I come up with these kind of opportunities on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any type of queries while filling this NQT form, don't forget to comment down below in the comment section. I will reply to all those comments ASAP. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.